British royal family should visit southeast Nigeria, compensate, apologize for abandoning Igbos to Fulani terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu's American lawyer says so. Igbo own half of Nigeria. IPOB's agitation is unrealistic. A presidential aspirant Bala Mohammed. Tinubu thinks he controls Lagos, but one day he will lose control of them. This according to RENO OMOKRI. Now listen to the news in detail.
Hello country people, how on a day? British royal family should visit southeast Nigeria, compensate, apologize for abandoning Igbos to Fulani terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu's American lawyer Nahinyan this one. Bruce FEIN, American legal practitioner where they represent IPOB leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, don't go for a Twitter handle on Tuesday, come ask Britain, the royal family inside Britain, make them visit southeast, make them come apologize to Ndigbo, sake of say then carry them hand over to Fulani terrorists inside Nigeria. This one been the happen as IPOB don't mash go right British royal family inside Canada, say make them acknowledge say waiting them do for Ndigbo through colonization bad weller. According to Bruce FEIN, the British royal family where they visit Canada make them for acknowledge the UK's inexcusable destruction of indigenous people by wrenching children from their culture. Onto that level of waiting them they go do for Canada, and make them also remember say it get people where then destroy their destiny inside Nigeria, Biafrans, where then carry hand over to the Fulani terrorists. Igbos own half of Nigeria. IPOB's agitation is unrealistic. This one, a presidential aspirant, Bala Mohammed, governor of BAUCHI, Nahinyan this one. From waiting we gather, BAUCHI state governor and welcome the presidential aspirant Bala Mohammed. Don't say Igbos, now then get half of Nigeria. That one make this agitation, where then they agitate for Biafra, say it no make sense. Bala Mohammed been say this one when he visit Anambra, unto say he they find people who go support them. Make he come represent PDP for a presidential primary where go take place 28 and 29 of May this 2022. Bala Mohammed say Igbos they everywhere inside Nigeria and now then get half of the country itself. So based on this, say this actualization of Biafra where then they find say it no make sense. And he held Igbo people say business thing now then sabi and pass. Say make them for day inside Niger, they do their things, make Niger they grow. Nya kana ba Nijambo, wuluzie nwokpuru. Tinubu think he controls Lagos, but one day he will lose control of them. RENO OMOKRI don't reveal. RENO OMOKRI will be human rights activist. He don't carry this one go Twitter handle. Say make he reveal something will go happen soon to national leader of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC Bola Ahmed Adekunle Tinubu. He say he thinks say in the control Lagos. However, very soon but see how I got phone ketolo biati. He say Bola Tinubu oge meginanya. He will lose Lagos like say he no been on Lagos before. RENO OMOKRI will be former special assistant to Goodluck Jonathan. Say the largest army inside Niger, no be Nigeria army. Say Niger army, then they less than 500,000 people. He come further here and say the largest army inside Niger na Okada people. People where they ride Okada inside Lagos State. Say then they united and some of them self no be Nigeria. RENO OMOKRI say former governor of Lagos State, Tinubu tin say na him own Lagos, but one day he go lose control of Lagosian, especially Okada riders. He say he still dey surprised say people wey dey inside Lagos they still see Tinubu as the leader of Lagos and top politician inside Nigeria say oge may give them nanya. And here we go draw the curtain for this show right now. Later we go see you now again. Make una add on a comment on the comment section. My name na Azuka OJ. Ngwano, bye bye for now.
Please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye for now.